Good morning, dear Shem stars. How are you all, students? I hope you all are well at your home. Students, yesterday we have done the mod of a group data. So today we are starting with the median of a grouped data. So first, what is median? In statistics and probability theory, a median is that value which separates the higher half from the lower half of a data sample, a population, or a probability distribution. For a data set, it can be thought as the middle value of that given data. So that means median is that value which gives us an idea about the middle value of that whole sample or whole data collected. Next is the formula for the median. So there is a formula to find the median of a grouped data. Students, in your syllabus, grouped data is specially important. So the median will be given by n by 2 minus CF over F into W plus LM. Now here, this small n stands for the summation of frequency. That means we will sum up all the frequency column and its division by 2. Minus CF is the cumulative frequency of the previous median class. And F is the frequency of that class only. W is the width of the class interval. So if we are given with the data from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 and so on, so that means width is 5. And LM is the lower limit of that median class. So students, with the help of n by 2, we will consider which will be our median class. Median class is decided by, suppose we are doing n by 2, our n is 30. So n by 2 will come out as 15. So wherever the frequency is nearest largest to this will be considered as the median class. Let us understand how to find the median of a data with the help of an example. The following table gives the distribution of lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So data given here is from 1500 to 2000, from 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000 and so on. And the corresponding number of lamps are given as 14, 56, 60, 86, 74, 62, 48 and so on. So next they were asking to find the median lifetime of a lamp. So students, remember that whenever we used to find the median of any data, the very first thing that we are going to calculate is the cumulative frequency. So let us see how to proceed with this example. So here we are making a new column of cumulative frequency. So how to create the column for the cumulative frequency? The first frequency comes as such. The next column comes by adding the succeeding frequency, that is 14 plus 56, that becomes 70. Next 70 plus 60, that is 130. Next 130 plus 86, 216. Next 216 plus 74, that is 290. 290 plus 64 becomes 352, and 352 plus 48, that is 400. So likewise we used to complete the column of cumulative frequency. So students, our next step is to find the median class. So here when we do n by 2, that is 400 by 2, that is coming out to be 200. Now check the column of cumulative frequency, the nearest largest value of CF, that is 216. So that column will become the median class for the data. So here the frequencies in the formula will be 86 and that of cumulative frequency will become 130. So next is to substitute all these values in the formula. So thus, as n is 400 over here, so n by 2 becomes 400 by 2, that is 200. So since 86 is the maximum frequency, so the median class is 3000 to 3500. So the lower limit of this interval is 3000 and frequency of that class is 36. Students, we always consider the cumulative frequency of the previous class, so that is 130, and height of the each class is 500. So we are going to substitute all these values in the formula of the median, that is L plus n by 2 minus Cf whole divided by f into h. So that reduces to 300 plus 200 minus 130 over 86 into 500. So this reduces to 3000 plus 35,000 over 86. On simplifying this, we are getting the median as 3406.98 hours. So thus the median life of a lamp is 3406.98 hours. So likewise students, we always used to calculate the median. I hope you have understood the concept of median well. So this was the last topic of this chapter. From now onwards, we'll be starting with the revision for the same. That's all for today students. Do revise what we have done in the class. And if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.